Welcome back, artists. I'm very excited to show you how we're going to make our bats today. Last week, what we did was focused on our cutting skills to make our moon, and we also learned how to make some stars so that our moon would be in a night sky for our nocturnal bats. What we're going to do today is take our 3 rectangles of paper that are in our secondary colors, orange, purple, and green, to create our secondary color bats. We won't need anything other than our scissors and glue and white and black crayons today. That's it. That's all we need. Okay. We are going to use every part of our colored rectangle because we're going to take our scissors and cut our rectangles into squares, triangles, and another rectangle. So I'm going to take the orange rectangle first. And the first step we're going to do is going to hold our rectangle like this. And I want you to cut just a little bit of your rectangle. So now we have 2 small rectangles. One we're going to use for our wings, so we'll set that aside. The next thing that we need to do is cut a rectangle off of our smaller rectangle. So it'll look like this. And now we'll have a square, a smaller rectangle, and a bigger rectangle for our bat. Let's put these 2 rectangles off to the side, and we're going to use our square to make our bat body. So here's our bat body. We'll use our square for our bat body. Okay. Let's do that to our other 2 papers. So again, we're going to take our scissors. We're going to cut a rectangle. And one more rectangle here to make a square. Now I have a green square. And finally our purple. Small rectangle. And this one gets cut in half as well. Now we need to decide where our bats are going to go. Some of them can go on top of your moon if you wish, but I would make sure to spread them out on your paper. When we put glue on our bat body today, we want to make sure, first of all, that we never roll up our glue like this. It should be almost flat at the edge of the cap. And we're going to put glue on our colored paper today, not on our blue paper, on our colored paper. So we're going to glue one bat body. I can glue another bat body over here. And then our last bat, let's have this orange bat be all the way at the top. Okay, excellent. Now we have our bat bodies. The next thing that we need to do is make the wings of our bat. And the wings of our bat are actually triangles. We have 2 triangles for our bat wings. So what we're going to do next is cut our big rectangle into triangles. So watch this, friends. It's pretty easy. We'll take our scissors and we're going to go from one corner to the other. Take a look. Now I have 2 triangles. Let's put those off to the side so I know that they're going to be for the wings. Let's do that with the green. So on the corner to corner. Now I have my green bat wings. And then the last one we need, of course, is our purple bat. So let's go ahead and put our purple wings. Now you can put your wings on in different ways. I like how it looks when I have this long edge going out. So I'm going to go ahead and glue those down now. So I'll put glue on my shapes, not on my paper. And just kind of put them where you think looks best. Maybe that one is going this way. And it's okay that my bat wing actually is off of my paper here. Let's put my bat wing. And again, friends, make sure there's glue all over your paper. We want to make sure we get the edges. That way our paper is not going to fall off. Okay, this one might be a little backwards. That's okay. And our green one is our last one. All over. And my green bat wing is also going off the paper. That is just fine. That'll look like our bat is flying through space.
Could the students who go home with Little Angels Daycare please come to the main office? The students who ride with Little Angels Daycare please come to the main office.
There we go. Now we have some bat wings. Okay, fantastic. The last thing that we have. So you should have 3 little... It might be a rectangle. It could look more like a square depending on how big you made it. So these are our last shapes. We're going to do the same thing we did with our bat wings to make our bat ears. So this is what we're doing now. Just like the wings, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut diagonally from one corner to the other. So now I have 2 triangles. I'm going to put these up with my orange bat for just a moment so I can do my green bat wing ears. And finally my purple bat ears. Cut on a diagonal. Now there are different ways that you can put the ears. So this one, the ears are pointing this way, the long edge is facing each other, and this one kind of reminds me of the letter M. So there are many ways that we can glue our bat ears, and we're going to keep practicing our skills. This one might be a little harder for you, but I know you can do it. Put your glue on your paper strip to glue your bat ears. One can go here. Maybe I have one go here. Maybe this one is different. That's just fine. And I have one more to go. Last one. One bat ear. Oop. Make sure you press it down like I'm doing here, or else it might fall off. And I think I like this way. Awesome. Congratulations! We have made 3 secondary color bats out of 3 rectangular papers. So we have our purple bat. Here's how my orange bat is looking. And finally I have my beautiful green bat below. The last thing that you are going to do is to make some fun facial expressions on your bat's faces. So I have a handout for you in your folder. that has all sorts of cool different faces we can make. Depending on where we put our eyebrows and the shape of our mouth can help us show different emotions or feelings when we draw our art. So pick out some of your favorites, and we're going to draw those details on our bat faces. I think I like the one where one bat looks happy. So I think I'm going to make my purple bat my happy bat. I would start out with white first, so you can do your eyes with your crayon. So here will be one bat eye. Why don't we go ahead and do orange right now since we're at it. And green. The green might be a little harder to see. That's okay though. Okay, and with our black crayon, we're going to do our details. So let's see. This bat is going to be looking up, I think. And we have happy eyebrows and a happy smile. If you want to go around your circle, your white circle, that might make it pop a little more. I think this orange bat is going to be my scared bat. So let's put some little tiny lines, circles for the eyes. And his mouth is going to be shut with some triangular bat teeth. And some scared looking eyebrows off to the side. And for our final bat, my final bat is gonna have a crazy face. So my crazy face one, let's have one pupil down here, one up here, and a wiggly wiggly mouth. That one does look pretty silly. And then the final step, friends, is just to put our lovely bat wing lines. We're just going to use some straight lines to come down from the top of our bat wing to the bottom of the paper. And there we have it. We have a beautiful, beautiful masterpiece of geometric bats. Great job, artists. I can't wait to see how yours will look.